Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix the API key problem in Google AI Studio. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to set up and link any API key so you can start using Nano Banana Pro, and you can even begin with $300 in free credits. First, open Google AI Studio, go to your dashboard and then head to the project section. Projects are important because they help you organize and track usage. Click Create Project, give it any name you want. I'll name mine Chronos Test and hit Create. This name is mainly for your own tracking, so keep it simple and clear. Now comes the step where most people get stuck, billing. After creating the project, you'll notice you still can't generate any API key until billing is set up. Click Setup Billing, then click Agree and Continue. Fill out your contact details and add the payment method, like a debit card or credit card. Even though you are adding a card, you won't be charged right away as long as you are still within the free trial credits. Once billing is linked, you should see a free trial status screen showing your credits and how many days are left. Click the Activate button to enable your free credits. You can also set the budget alerts, which are helpful if you plan to use the tool a lot. For example, an alert at $25 or $50, so you don't get any surprises. After that, go back to AI Studio and refresh the page. You should now see an active tier status, like Tier 1, which confirms that billing is properly connected. Now you can create an API key, go back to the API keys section and click Create API key. Name it something simple, I'll use API Chronos, and make sure you assign it to the project you just created. Click Create Key and you'll see the key appear. Next, go back to the home screen in AI Studio and open Nano Banana Pro. If you still see the Link API Key prompt, click it. It should show the project and the key you created. Select the key and confirm. Once that's linked, the warning disappears and Nano Banana Pro becomes usable. To confirm everything works, run a quick test prompt, something simple like design me a red car, and hit run. If it generates normally, you are all set. Finally, if you want to track usage and understand costs, go back to the dashboard and open the usage section. You will see the activity from your recent requests. On brand new accounts, billing dashboards sometimes take a little time to show detailed cost breakdowns. But your usage will appear and you can monitor it there. The main point is it's actually not expensive. In many cases, it's fractions of a cent to a few cents depending on what you are generating. And that's it, your API key is linked, Nano Banana Pro is working, and you are ready to create. If this helps you, hit like, subscribe for more quick AI tutorials and drop a comment if you get stuck. I'll help you out. See you in the next one. Bye.